FeedBear, Appsumo, the simplest way to collect and manage customer feedback. Your customer feedback system shouldn't feel like one of those old school suggestion boxes. Can you imagine someone calling you out without notice, asking you to rate their product from 1 to 10? It's annoying. Nobody wants that. Having a structured feedback management system in your business is super important. But what makes it overwhelming and time-consuming is a few things. 1, there's no way to collect feedback from multiple sources in a single dashboard. That's the first thing that I think of. I'm like, what if I could collect feedback from multiple sources in a single dashboard? I've had that exact thought in those exact words before. Then there's feedback disorganization. When the feedback from all those multiple dashboards, you're trying to put it in, now you're disorganized. Come on. Keeping the clients waiting for too long for updates. Let's say you're collecting feedback for a client and now they're sitting around there waiting for your feedback when they could be implementing the feedback easily. We got so many cameras here. And then finally, not having a structured feedback or update section. And that's bad because user insights are crucial for helping your team know what to build. But most feedback solutions take forever to deploy and have a confusing learning curve. Imagine if you could ask for feature requests, keep users in the loop about work progress, and announce new releases on your own white label platform. What if you could do all that? Well, luckily, thanks to Appsumo, we found a solution. FeedBear is a tool that easily lets you collect and manage customer feedback. It'll also let you announce updates and do so much more. So much more. I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Appsumo, the leading digital marketplace for entrepreneurs, but more on them later. I love Appsumo. My co-founder and me met in one of the Appsumo groups in Noah Kagan's courses group. I got my first dollar taking Neville Medora's course, and I was on a coaching call with him, and he asked me to go inside and pitch a business, and that business paid. So I have strong ties to Appsumo. I love Appsumo, and that's why it's such a pleasure to share these deals with you. But more importantly, Appsumo is giving $10,000 of credits away this year. And in order to get that, the first 100 people to purchase using the link in the description will be entered to win $10,000 of credits on Appsumo. And the winners are announced every month. So if you're a new agency owner, you know how much that $10,000 could mean to you. If you want to change your life by getting some game-changing SaaS, then make sure to grab that deal using the link below, and you can enter to win that $10,000 in Appsumo credits. And on Appsumo, you can get a SaaS deal for every need you can think of. And if you're anything like me, you're doing anything you can to rebel against those expectations by building a lifestyle as a creator and an entrepreneur so you can get that customer feedback all in one spot. You want to actually be passionate about things, not just have them tell you what customer feedback tool to use. You want to go on Appsumo, you want to find that tool, right? Because you wear a ton of hats. I'm talking social media, project management, client management, getting customer feedback, sales, accounting, copywriting, web development, just to name a few. You don't want to be all distracted by all that stuff. And that's where today's sponsor, Appsumo, comes in. As the leading digital marketplace trusted by over 1 million entrepreneurs, Appsumo's mission is to bust the doors of entrepreneurship open to everyone. They have the tools to automate all the busy work that comes with life so you can focus on your true passion, which is gathering customer feedback. Or I can only assume that based on you continuing to watch this video after I've said that about 38 times. So let's jump into FeedBear. I'll show you some screen shares and everything of FeedBear. Let's take a look at this. With FeedBear, you can let customers submit feature requests, ideas, and bug reports from one form, making it a breeze to collect feedback from your most valuable audience. Look at that. That looks so easy to use. They can just put their feedback in there right now, and you just get it in one spot. That's so cool. Users can also upvote and comment on the improvements they want, so you know exactly what to prioritize. And because this platform integrates with Trello, Slack, Zapier, and Intercom, FeedBear fits seamlessly into your existing workflow. No need to force it in there. It's seamlessly fitting in, like a square peg in a square hole. We're not putting round pegs in square holes anymore. You can also use the roadmap feature, which lets you share progress, update users on how you're integrating with their ideas, and drive adoption once those features go live. And that roadmap is completely customizable, so it's easy to design an intuitive interface with unlimited, unique status labels. You can also announce new features and product changes in style using FeedBear's changelog, which ensures your new releases get the attention they deserve. You ever make a bunch of changes to your SaaS and then you don't know how to announce them correctly? Well, now you do that changelog, you use FeedBear, all of your audience can see all the changes and start taking advantage of all those new SaaS features that we all love to build. With FeedBear, you can design a white label environment that includes your own colors and logos. You can even make advanced tweaks with custom CSS. That way you get the exact look you want. And what's also cool is you can host FeedBear on your own domain for a cohesive user experience. That's what I'm always thinking, dude. I'm always like, how do we get the most cohesive user experience? Well, FeedBear helps us do it. And this saves you a bunch of time and money because without user input to guide your product development, you might be building things that people don't want. So let's start building things that people do want using FeedBear. FeedBear lets you create a custom branded platform where users can share their feedback and keep tabs on how your product evolves. Let's go through some of the features of FeedBear. Well, first of all, it's fully customizable. You can add your logo and colors. You can set it up on your own domain. You can create unlimited boards for one low price. That's amazing. There are insights which allow you to collect customer feedback. So you can learn what your customers really want, give everyone a chance to make their voice heard, and collect their feedback in one place so that you can ask for more input if you need to. You can prioritize even based on user votes. That turns your SaaS into more of a democracy and less of me yelling at the dev team to build certain features. Better build faster, Pratik. Time's running out. There's also a roadmap which lets you close the feedback loop. You can keep your customers updated on your progress, explore their ideas, and share status updates as you work on your product. That will allow you to stay organized, so then you can use those tags to quickly filter customer feedback. And there's customer engagement, so you can announce updates. Never let your product updates go unnoticed. Announce the latest changes and improvements you just shipped using FeedBear. You can also follow up automatically, so there's branded email notifications when feedback status changes. And you can also, if you want, work privately, where there's an invite-only mode to collaborate on internal projects. How cool is that? What are the benefits of using FeedBear? Well, it's easy to use. It's got fast deployment. You can collect customer feedback from multiple sources. There's feedback organization. You can keep clients in the loop. You can replace multiple tools with FeedBear, and it's fully customizable. Whoa, that's FeedBear. It's best suited for who, right? You might be asking, is this best suited for me? Well, it's best suited for a few people. It's best suited for SMBs and SMEs. It's best suited for online businesses, startups, freelancers, small agencies, solopreneurs, and SaaS companies. So go ahead and check that out because Appsumo is giving me 10K in credits to give away this year. And the first 100 people to purchase FeedBear using the link in the description will be entered to win. So if you want to win that $10,000, you better enter down below. If you're on their email list like I am, you know that the tools on Appsumo are game changers for your business. I've saved so much time and money over the years thanks to Appsumo. So definitely go check them out. Thank you again to Appsumo for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Grab Cold Email Manifesto. I'm Alex Berman. All right, I'll talk to you later.